Aww. Hey everybody. Today we are what? What are we doing, Addison?
We're doing the Pikmi Pop bubble drop because it's my first birthday.
It's your first birthday.
Oh yeah, it's my 7th.
Why are we doing this video, Addie?
Because I really wanted to show everyone that what we're doing is the Pikmi Pop bubble drop, and you get to play with them. You get to put them in the suit.
So is this your request? Is this what you wanted to do for your 7th birthday, was to do your very first YouTube video?
Yeah.
Okay, well, we've been doing YouTube for a while, but we've never done
A review
or a tutorial. So
Yeah, and I really wanted to do this.
okay, all right. So you and Ari are going to do this?
Yeah.
Let's get everything prepped, shall we?
So we have it opened up now. So when you guys open it up, you're going to see something like this. So little compartments for everything. Addie, what's in there? Go ahead and pull some stuff out so they can see what's in there.
This is the case I was talking about.
Cases for your
the squishy ball to
for your
go
squeeze
inside.
ball, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Here's a squeeze ball to go inside.
It goes inside.
Yeah.
Is it?
No.
Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna slide this in.
Do you need some help?
Yeah. Just slide it in.
Okay. Here. That it is pushed all
The way in.
the way in.
Little click.
Yeah.
And then if you see this is a little nozzle that you can have the water go in, and then you can stop the water. So you want to make sure you stop the water.
Yeah.
So you twist that one off. Yep. Twist it. Okay, it comes off. What do you use to open up the ball?
The key.
Use to
Unlock it.
unlock it. So you just twist.
After we're gonna fill up, we're gonna put this back on, and we're gonna fill it with a little.
Fill it to the line with water, right?
Yeah.
Okay, you want to give that to me?
Yeah.
Can you help?
It's really hard.
Still locked.
So do I have to twist it?
Close it back out all the way. Okay.
Okay, you
Add
add
water.
water.
Oh. Here.
Yeah. Okay. Now what else do you add?
Some glitter.
Pink or blue?
Blue. I love blue.
Okay.
It's hard to open.
Got it. Okay, so when you open it, I thought it was going to be loose. It's not loose, which is good. So we don't have loose glitter everywhere. Comes in a little bit of a...
Back.
Comes in a packet.
The back.
So it comes in a little packet, which is good. I thought it was loose. So you got a packet, and it comes with a little cute,
Rainbow. Orange rainbow.
little orange rainbow. Yes.
Are those those are little charms?
Little charms. Yes,
Yeah.
that's the word. Okay, so let me
Scissors.
grab the scissors real quick so I don't.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna put a little bit of a hole in there so you can
Plug in.
choose how much you want to use. Okay.
I want to put.
Ooh, I've seen people use food coloring.
Can we put food coloring in it?
Is that all,
Is that
you
all
want?
you want?
Yeah. Wait.
Just you can use the whole packet if you want to.
Yay.
You can use honestly more than one packet. So
You
tell
can
them what you're
probably
doing.
Whoa.
Do you want to do pink too?
Yeah.
Okay. So
You want to
blue
tell them
and
what
pink.
you're doing?
I'm gonna pour the glitter, and then I want to put in some food coloring because it's gonna be really awesome. So when you do that, I'm putting food coloring in it, and I really want to put food coloring in it. Me too.
Alright, so the pink one actually has another packet with.
No, I'm trying.
I didn't see a charm in this one. Do you want a charm? Blue glitter in this one.
Pink and blue?
Yeah, so there's a bit of everything in this one.
That'd be cool. What color food coloring are you going to use?
I want blue.
Blue might be a little dark, don't you think?
It's pastel colors.
Oh.
Yeah. It looked green.
So cool.
Kind of look like a little bit green.
So food coloring is what? Optional?
Yeah.
A
Optional.
little bit goes a long way. Here.
You said you want to do blue?
Yeah.
Very little.
Okay, like a little
Not a
bit.
whole lot.
Okay.
A couple of drops is probably all you
It's
need.
gonna probably ooze out really fast, so.
Very slow, very slow. Don't get on your fingers.
Use a little bit more. You can put
One
a
more
little
drop. Okay.
There you go.
There we go.
Ooh, you should add some green
Some green?
to make it look like an aquamarine.
Oh, yeah.
You want to do some green? Like one drop of green?
Yeah. I can't wait for that.
I'll open it up for you. There you go.
Looks like a glittery green.
Okay.
Turn the nozzle.
So,
Okay, you want to turn it towards us?
Okay.
No. You want to turn it so they can see it?
There you go.
All right, there you go. And then what do? You turn the knob and it can start filling up.
Where do I have to turn it? This one?
Yeah. Or other way. Either way. Okay, so what are you going to do now? Now you can add your charm.
So we got a charm in there. We took the lid off.
Now I'm going to
So
put the lid back on.
okay, where's your key? You got your key?
Yeah.
All right, put your key back.
Make sure it's really tight.
Good job.
Oh,
Oh, it popped out. So
I think that's good.
Is it good to go? Can you squeeze it?
squeeze it.
Let's
make
see
sure
what
it's
it looks
not leaking.
like. Oh, wow.
Looks cool. Is it
Okay,
nice?
shake it. Shake it so you get your glitter out. There you go.
Can you see your charm?
I can see it. There it is. I found it.
There's your little rainbow.
Is it my turn? I don't even get it in there.
Okay.
There's a little in there.
So now you're gonna put your little onesie on.
So I heard you have to like wiggle it in. It's a little tough, but you have to wiggle it
It
in.
does have some Velcro.
It
on
goes
the back.
through the back where the Velcro is.
I'll put it on.
So hard. I have a Pikmi Pop bubble drop.
In a onesie.
Yeah.
Let's see what color it is. So the food coloring made like an aqua color.
That's pretty.
Like a green.
It's pretty.
Okay, who's next?
So we put a new one in for you, right? Ours, so we clicked it, we made sure it clicked, and then we're gonna fill up a new dill of water.
Well, we have to put
Careful.
glitter in first.
Oh, yeah, because
Oh, we did put the glitter in first?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do the glitter
Silver.
first.
This is mine. Silver.
Ooh.
So we
We'll show
have,
them all in the end.
Silver. What?
We'll show them all in the end.
so we have a silver.
Yes, and then
Put it in.
You got it? Sprinkle
What kind
it
of
all.
food coloring are you gonna do, or do you not want to do food coloring?
I did blue.
There's pink, yellow, blue, and green.
I think if we did the yellow and what does yellow and blue make? Doesn't yellow and blue make orange?
Orange, yes.
Or you can do blue and pink. I think it makes purple.
Yeah. Ooh, this is mine. Next, I'm going to do some water.
Hold on. Don't you want to do this one
More
too?
glitter.
Don't you need some purple glitter?
Can I try?
There you go. Put all that purple glitter in there too.
Mine is so much fun.
All right. Now you got some purple and silver glitter. Okay.
Now you're done. Now you are going to pour the water in.
Yes, to the line.
Okay.
Can Sissy help you?
Right here. This line.
That line. Yep. Because you don't want to overfill it. And a little bit more.
A little bit more. A little bit more.
You're good. A little bit more. A little bit more.
Did you add a charm yet?
And you're good.
Where's your charm? 2 drops. 2 drops.
2 drops. 1.
1 and 2. Okay. Got 2 drops.
Now we have to get one.
We're doing a
more.
yellow. Or were we doing
No,
a
she's
blue?
gonna do both.
Oh, she's doing purple. Okay.
Those water stuff. Drop your charm in.
Drop.
Okay. Now put your lid back on. You gotta put your key back on.
Okay.
All the way. Keep going.
And it pops out. You're done.
Keep going. Keep going. Is that good? And whoop, there you go.
Let's see these Pikmi Pops.
These are the Pikmi Pops. Subscribe to our channel.
Happy you got to do a video for your birthday?
Yeah.
Okay.
subscribe to this video and give us a thumbs up.
You're so cute. All right, what are you guys gonna name your Pikmi Pops?
What's gonna be mine? Samantha. I want to name this Samantha.
Okay, you're gonna name yours Samantha?
No, she can.
Okay.
Emma.
Oh, I like it.
I want mine to be Charlotte.
Charlotte. That's a cute name. All right. Well, thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.
Subscribe to